This is a shirt that I no longer wear. It's an old shirt that I got from Rue 21 years back. So I saw on YouTube that you can use a long sleeve. I am going to, I think she cut off right here. She basically just cutting off the tips. I'm going to cut off the sleeve. I think that should be enough, right? So I'm going to put that to the side. I use these as straps, but we're going to try this. I liked it. Right? So we're going to put that over there. So the sleeve and this. I can just cut this right here. I'm freestyling. Alright. And boom. Boom. This is just practice. And then you tuck it in there. I think, right? Yeah. Can go ahead and tie it. But you can adjust it yourself. I'm not gonna like tie it in a big old knot, but what I'm gonna do is freestyle it this way. I watched the video and I said I'm gonna get up and do it because what, we're in quarantine. I'm not doing anything at the moment, so I'm gonna put this baby on and try it out. Just make sure you keep that together. I still have these, but my mom purchased these face masks with ear loops, so I already have these. You guys enjoyed this video. I cannot sew. I just wanted to show if I can make this, you can too. We're all in this together. Please stay safe and thank you so much for watching this video.